By the way, everyone must have seen a pigeon turning from a handkerchief, and you must have paid to watch all this. But in this video, I am going to show you a magic trick for free. I will convert the Android smartphone into Windows. That too in seconds. So let's start this program. So first of all, you have to go to the Play Store in your smartphone. There you will see an application named Windows 11 Simulator. In short, you can also call it Win 11 Simu. You have to install it in your phone. And after installing, you will be able to use your Android phone like Windows. You will be able to do everything perfectly. Yes, you won't be able to play the heavy games. The rest of the daily tasks, the normal things, you will be able to do everything in your smartphone as a Windows with the help of this app. Okay, a lot of Windows software won't be able to support this app. This is only for fun. Like small or light softwares will easily work in this. But in the beginning of the video, I promise that I will convert your smartphone into Windows in seconds. I did that. And in this channel, we share such wonderful mobile tips and tricks with you every day. So keep watching this channel and stay connected.